In this video, we will discuss MCQs from 350 to 375, and these MCQs are taken from past paper, and that will be very helpful for you if you are preparing for competitive exams. MCQs number 351. In which year was the Simla deputation presented to Lord Minto? The answer is 1906. MCQ number 352. Who drafted the original Lahore Resolution 1940? The answer is Sir Sikandar Hayat Khan. The initial drafted and the final draft by A.K. Fazlul Haq. MCQ number 353. When was the Delhi Muslims proposal presented? The answer is 1927. MCQ number 354. Which constitution principle was introduced by Indian Council Act 1909 for Muslims? The answer is separate electorates. MCQ number 355. In which year was the Cabinet Mission Plan announced? The answer is 1946. MCQ number 356. Who was the Viceroy of India at the time of Cabinet Mission Plan? The answer is Lord Wavell. MCQ number 357. Which article of the 1973 Constitution defines the qualifications for membership of Majlis-e-Shura Parliament? The answer is Article 62. MCQ number 358. Under which article can the President dissolve the National Assembly? The answer is Article 58. MCQ number 359. In which year was the one unit scheme implemented? The answer is 1955. MCQ number 360. Who abrogated the 1962 Constitution? The answer is General Yahya Khan. MCQ number 361. In which year did East Pakistan separate from West Pakistan? बांग्लादेश पाकिस्तान से कब सेपरेट हुआ? The answer is 1971. MCQ number 362. What was the legal basis used by the Supreme Court to validate the 1958 martial law? The answer is Doctrine of Necessity. MCQ number 363. In which year was Pakistan admitted to the United Nations? The answer is 1947. MCQ number 364. Which Pakistani leader introduced the concept of Islamic socialism? The answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. MCQ number 365. In which year was the 14th Constitutional Amendment passed, which is known as Anti-Floor Crossing Law? The answer is 1997. MCQ number 366. Which article of the Constitution deals with the establishment of the Senate? The answer is Article 59. MCQ number 367. In which year did Pakistan join CENTO? The answer is 1955. MCQ number 368. What is the name of Pakistan's largest hydroelectric power station? The answer is Tarbela Dam. MCQ number 369. In which year was the Economic Corridor Committee ECC formed? The answer is 1973. MCQ number 370. Which rivers originate from Lake Manasarovar? The answer is Indus River. MCQ number 371. In which year was the National Security Council first formally institutionalized? The answer is 2004. MCQ number 372. Who was the Prime Minister of Pakistan during the 1973 Constitutions promulgated? The answer is Zulfikar Ali Bhutto. MCQ number 373. In which year was the 13th Constitutional Amendment passed? The answer is 1997. MCQ number 374. Which strait is strategically important for Pakistan maritime trade routes? The answer is Strait of Hormuz. MCQ number 375. Which agreement resolved the issue of Run of Kutch between Pakistan and India? The answer is Tashkent Agreement. In the next video, we will discuss MCQs from 376 to 400. Thanks for watching.